Hi moms, as a teenage mother right here, I'm always looking for healthy snacks to give my kids. So I decided to come up with these little peanut butter banana wraps that are absolutely delicious, healthy, and super quick to make. Let's take a look. You're gonna go ahead and get a whole wheat tortilla. Then you're gonna grab 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt and you're gonna add that to a blender. You're gonna get 1/3 cup of almond milk or coconut milk. You're also gonna get 2/3 cups of fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of granola of your choice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and add that to a blender. Once all that's blended, you're gonna take it out. You're gonna just mix it in a bowl. You're gonna spread that mix onto the wrap. Then you're gonna grab a banana and just wrap it and make it into a little wrap where you can cut. Once cut, add some Nutella. You're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some granola on top of it and then finish it off with some drizzling of honey. So once you make these delicious snacks, you'll have to tell me what your kids thought of. I love them. I actually eat them myself. So if you like this, subscribe to my channel. I'll be continuing to give out perfect, easy snacks that are healthy and delicious for you and for your family.